What's up, everybody? So today we are going to go ahead and do a little DIY to the Wagtail Wave and also this cone adapter. And this piece here is just fine. It's just the part that goes inside the Gardiner pole. So if you have a Gardiner pole and you have the Wagtail Wave, currently what's happening is you get this part that goes inside the Waterfed pole, just like that. And then you get the cone adapter like this that you can use on a trad pole, which is a traditional style water-fed pole that you just use for traditional style, okay? So you could use the wagtail just like so on a traditional style. The problem is if you're doing this for water-fed, the line is going all over the place and it's not inside. So currently, if we take this piece off, the hose fits right in there, which is fantastic. Right? No problem. Well, now there's no hole at the top of here, so we have to put a hole inside of there. So let's go ahead and drill it out. I am using 25/64 inch bit. Handy dandy DeWalt. This thing is phenomenal. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we're going to connect this down. Let's see if this hose goes down inside there. Live video. There we go. All right, so that works. Now, the issue is, how do I get that cone adapter to work on the wagtail as well as this? So now I'm gonna have to go ahead and take that hose from two different ways. I could go ahead and put it underneath, okay? So I could put a hole right here where this will just slide up underneath like so and slide up underneath, which I think I might do it underneath right there. So let's just try. Okay, be careful not to do that, you cut yourself. All right, so let's be smart. We're gonna go ahead and tilt this down. Sorry about the bag of cement there. We're doing the we're going ahead and taking care of this shit out of here. We're putting a fence in the backyard. So we'll put that in the vice grip there. And you should really put a smaller hole there first, but we're doing a hole. My buddy just pulled up. Just like so. What's up, dude? Just shooting a video for YouTube. Come on up.
Oh,
no, it's fine. What'd you say?
So I'll see you later.
No. And that connects right in there. Just like so. Alright, so there we go. I got it screwed in the back, just like so. And I will go ahead and connect this piece down here. Just like so. Like that. And this will connect in here. And so there you go. Now it's all set to go. And it's connected through the bottom half. Now there is a piece of plastic that's in the middle here. Yeah, going this way to keep it structurally sound in here. So you're gonna have to go on one side or the other. You can't go in the middle. So I decided to go on the left-hand side and shoot it through the pole on there. And there you guys go. And if you can see that, how I went on that side of the spacer there. I put that hole in there. And again, that just slides down in there. This goes, and then I can also use my on-off switch, my univalve from here too, because this is connected here and it's not going anywhere. So I can pull it with my univalve. We're all set to go. There you guys go. Until next time, love yous.